sharing with you my home decor haul. Now this is a collective haul of some things that I've been picking up from the last 3 weeks. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. Like, this is going to be a really big haul. At least it looks like it is from the bags that I have stacked up here. So yeah, I need to put these things away. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this haul. Now I'm going to start with my home goods things that I picked up. Now I was actually in there today. Yeah. And I did a little bit of damage. Not too much, but just a little. But let me just show you what I picked up. And I haven't even taken this stuff out the bag. So this is the stuff I picked up. Look. I hope this is not going to blind you too much. But this is a mirrored little vanity tray. Now it's not mirrored on the bottom, but it is mirrored on the sides, and you can see that it has like these little pockets in there. Now I got 3 of these, and each one has a different shape inside. So I'm going to show you the other 2 that I picked up. Now this is a, like I said, a vanity organizer, and this one is more like for your lotions or your makeup. You could even put just, you know, little knickknacks, hair bobs and things like that in there. So this one was $11 on clearance. All of these actually were on clearance because I had been looking at them earlier in the summer and didn't pick them up because they were, I think they were like $15 a piece. And so yeah, no, we weren't going to do that. But this one was 10. Both of these were 10. So if you can see the difference in between, let me try to hold them up without breaking them. In between these 2, you can see the compartments are different, and that's why I got 2 of those, because they have a little different shape. But then if you're just having them on your vanity or whatever, you would never know. I hope that's not too bad. You would never know that that is different on the inside. So yeah, and then this is a totally different shape, but because you can kind of see, hopefully you can see anyway, that that is a different shape. It's like different. So I thought these were cute. Now originally I got these for my bedroom. I am in the process of redoing my bedroom, so you guys stay tuned for that. We are painting, getting new furniture, everything, so definitely stay tuned for that. That should be up the next thing that I picked up were these rugs, and again, this is from Marshall's Home Goods. And guys, right now they are having some amazing deals at Marshall's and Home Goods. There are so many red tags, and you guys know that I love to shop on a budget. So when I see those, it kind of like gets me really motivated to shop because I love finding deals. Anyway, so I have this. Now this is for my kids' bathroom because I'm going to, after we finish our bedroom, I'm going to move over to their bathroom and repaint and redecorate that as well. Hopefully I'll have that done as well before school starts. So I've started to pick up a few things, and I got this rug set, and it is a reversible rug set. But guys, this was only $10, and you guys know that these are like $16, you know, for one of these things. So yeah, I don't know how much this one was originally, but I went and compared some of the other packages that were similar, and they were like $16. So this is a steal. And if they had a lot more, but not in my color scheme. So yeah, I got those 2 for my children's bathroom, and they're just a basic gray, which is fine with me. It's not going to be too hard to keep clean. 2 of those for $10. Great, great, amazing. The other things I picked up for their bathroom, I can tell that, I think this is for their bathroom as well. And so I'm not one that is really big into doing like those cartoony type bathrooms. Don't get me wrong, those can be really, really cute when people do them, but it's just not something that I like for my home. So I don't do their bedrooms in that either, but I'm going to make an exception for my son because he loves Lightning McQueen, although I'm not going to be doing a whole lot. But I'm going off on a tangent. Anyway, so let me just show you what I picked up for my kids' bathroom. And so I found these cat and dog towel sets, and I'm going to pick up one of each. Now the dog is the big towel, and the hand towels are in the cat. So I just fell in love with these. I feel like this will work for both because I do have a girl and boy. But I love the colors and I love that it was so neutral. I picked up 2 of the big towels, and these have 2 in them each, and I picked up 2 of the hand towels for them, as well as the little kitty little washcloths also. But I think these are for like the college kids going back to school. And again, I love shopping for my home around this time of year because you can find some really good deals for your home. You don't have to be going back to college to get some of these deals. So this was $7.99, and I think these were, the big towels were $7.99, and then this pack of 2 hand towels was $10, so it was $9.99. So good deals there. And then the hand towels were, let me tell you because I didn't, the hand towels were $7.99. So yeah. And then guys, I got a couple of things from my office as well. I did not need these, but I thought they were so cute I could not pass them up. Now I can't remember if these were on clearance or not because I got these like 2 weeks ago, but okay, no, these were not on clearance, but they were not expensive. This is No Limit, and it's one of those Ray Dunn type of pottery. I picked this up in the office section if somebody is wondering, and this was $4.99 compared to $8. And I think that you can buy Ray Dunn stuff at Nordstrom's if you are just desperate to find it. So the next thing I picked up was just this little sign here. It just says Girl Boss, and it says on the other side, vision to see obstacles as opportunities. So I thought that was kind of cute. I picked those up, and then I also picked up this one right here, and it says work hard, party hard. I didn't tell you the prices, so this one was $8 for this tray. This one was $4.99, and again this one was $4.99 as well. So not too bad there. I just thought these were so cute and motivational. I had to pick them up. You guys can see that what I'm holding here. This is a quilt that I picked up today from Home Goods, and when I saw this I just fell in love with it. Guys, look at this. It's like, can you see? I think you can see pretty well. This is the front of it. So this is like a silver, and it's like metallic colored. I got this in a size queen, and it will fit a full size bed though also. So I just got this to kind of throw and drape over the bed. Look how pretty that is, guys. So yeah, you guys see where I'm going with my color scheme for my bedroom. I also got a comforter, and I'll show you that in a few minutes, but it is quite big. So that was my favorite thing that I found today, because I had some pillows that will match perfect with those. 10 Coat Factory, and I actually picked up 4 of these, one in a large size, and let me just see, this is the large one. Yes, these are so big. Oh my goodness. Look at these. I know you guys have seen these. This is the 24 by 24, and it's a set of 2. And I can't remember how much these were, but oh, these were $24.99. But look how well it matches. Hold on, see if I can get it. Look how well it matches, guys. Oh, can you guys see this? I'm like holding it at an awkward angle, but look how well that matches. So I thought that would be nice to use for my bedroom. Now I just gotta find like some kind of like rhinestoney pillow or something. That's what I'm envisioning, and I know I probably won't find it till maybe around Christmas time, because I've been searching and searching and haven't found nothing yet. So I'm looking for like just that statement pillow to go on my bed, and so yeah, that'll be great. And then guys, I didn't show you the smaller one. So yeah, the smaller ones just look like this. So yeah, my bed is gonna be really sparkly. And so yeah, that's what that looks like. And these were, I think these were $19. No, $17.99. So yeah, these are the smaller ones. Good. So we're back to Home Goods now. I picked up, this is not from Home Goods. This is from, I'm sorry guys, this is from Costco. So I took the sheets that I had from Home Goods back and got these. These are just some basic sheets, but they were like $14 at Costco, and the ones that I found at Home Goods, they were cute, but they were $19, and they didn't have a 4 they did not have 4 pillowcases, and I like to have lots of pillows on my bed. So I took them back and got these right here from Costco, and they still have these on sale there now. So if you guys are interested, go definitely pick you guys some up. And so this is from Home Goods, guys. I picked up some curtains, and they just look like this. I think somebody must have taken this out because it's like not on the right side to see it. It's kind of like a tree pattern on there. I don't know what kind of tree. It reminds me of like a Japanese cherry blossom. So that's what that looks like, and I didn't go all sparkly with that, but it's a gray. And if I did mention, these curtains were $29.99 for 2 panels, which I thought was a really good price. So yeah, and you guys are going to see this, as I said, in the room tour or the final reveal. Okay, so now, as I said, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, they are all having like these wonderful sales right now. And so I picked up these curtains here, and I know they look kind of plain, but they have this little design on them that's like poking out a little bit. So I picked these up for $12. I just like the layered look, so that's why I got this in addition to the little bird curtain rod things that I got. And I hope that will look nice. I'm not quite sure, guys, but I got them, and in case they do not, you know, I have a backup plan. So I had these from IKEA, and they're just these little plain panels. So if the other one doesn't work, I'll just pair them up with these. And I have 2 panels in this thing here, and so yeah, if that doesn't work, we'll just go with the IKEA ones, but I hope it works. If not, I'll just use them in another room. So, but I said, why not? I'm going to show you. I got 4 of these pillows from Kohl's, and they were $5 each, which I thought was a good deal. So if you guys are have a Kohl's near you, maybe you should check them out to see if that deal is still going on. Then I picked up this curtain rod here, and I did get this for my bedroom. If you guys can see, it's really shiny and metallic-y. This thing was, I think this was $19.99, and unfortunately it does not fit my window because I have a really long window. It's really 2 windows, but I want to style it as 1 window, so this is not going to fit. What I will do though is I need a new rod in my office here, so I'm going to use that there, and then I still have to look for a rod for my bedroom because this is only 36 by 66, and I needed like 80 by 100 or something to style that 2 windows into 1 window. So I need to go back and see if I can find something else. But I really did like this one. I thought it would have been really pretty. Hopefully I find something just as pretty or prettier for my room. So I'm going to show you guys the comforter that I picked up. Now it's just a white comforter, and I don't know, I just something about white that just says soothing and relaxing to me, so I always go for a white comforter. So let me just show you. I really like this one. It's by the brand Nicole Miller, and it is huge. And guys, it was only $54? It was on clearance for $55, guys. So, and it had 2 pillows, but 2 pillow shams, and died on me. But I was just telling you about the comforter set that I got, and I will be putting in a clip of how it looks in person. That's like the pattern or how it looks like up close. And I really did like that one, and I took it out already, and it is absolutely perfect. No stains. So I have no idea why it was on clearance, but I swooped it up. Piece set, I believe. It has the 2 pillows, the 2 decorative pillows, the shams, and the actual comforter, and it is super big and plush. It says compare at $114. I got it for $55. And you guys know that I always have to compare when I'm in the store. So I went around and compared other prices, and those comforters usually go for about 80 bucks. So I think I saved about $30 there. So I'm happy with that. I have one other thing to show you guys, and that will be the end of my haul. It is quite a large piece, and I'm so happy that I found it again on a budget. budget. So let me just show you what I picked up. Oh, long mirror here. And I love this thing. And guys, I got it for $60. Yes. And the reason is it didn't have a tag on it. And when I asked the sales associate, he told me to look at one of the ones that was similar, and by similar I mean lengthwise, and I was able to get this for $60. Yes guys, you guys know that these things are like $100, so I saved a little bit of money there, which I will be using for another piece of furniture or something else that we need. So I'm going to actually put this one in my family room area, and I'm going to hang it the long straight across like this. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do with that. If it doesn't fit there, it'll probably have to stay in this room somehow, which is just my office. But guys, I really don't have a whole bunch of space in here. I'm going to give you a short view of this room, which I don't think I have, but it's always so messy. That's the reason why. Let me stand back a little bit. So this is my vanity here, which I have like a bunch of Victoria's Secret stuff. And you guys, if you are into Victoria's Secret like me, then you know I have a lot of it, and it goes all up there. I'm trying not to buy too many more of these body mists and things like that, because I got a lot to go through. And that's all stuff that I am hauling today. So that is home decor. That's where I stash everything. So this room does a lot. And then this is my office area over here, which I'm going to show you my desk, but right now it is such a mess. I have everything going on up there, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit, and some stuff that I'm going to haul as well up there. And yeah, this is what this room looks like, guys. Just a short little tour of this room. Some more stuff that I got to take back to Bath and Body Works. But yeah guys, so I hope that you guys like this mirror, because I am in love with it. And be on the lookout for a tour of that family room also. So yeah, and my outfit today is really casual. It just says do it for the gram on there, and I have on my Victoria's Secret leggings right there. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, Victoria's Secret leggings, and that's it. I'm just hanging around, getting some laundry done today. And yeah, so guys, that is it for this little video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy making it, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button, well, and subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.